Expanding upon the simple form tutorial guide, this guide is aimed at helping users create a multi-page form, and I aim to explain some of the configuration you may wish to set. So starting on the forms page of Formie, we start by clicking New Form, give our form a name. Now, if you wish to create a multi-page form, a couple of options are available to you in the stencils. We have job application and multi-page survey. I will choose job application for this example. And what we can see here is pre-existing fields, which may or may not need to be customized. This first page is fairly generic. User details, other things that may want to be added, an additional phone number could be added by dragging in phone number, a different email, whatever's required for your form. And then what we can see here is other pages. So if we click on the next one, education and experience, we can see a few more presets which may or may not need to be amended. To amend one of these fields, we can click on and rename the label, or perhaps add a placeholder, or perhaps even add some further instructions. If we want to remove a field, we can click on these three dots in the top right corner and click delete. We may want to rename the page we're on. While on that page, we can click on this cog and change the page label. And it's also worth noting, if we want to add a new page, we can do that from here by clicking on new page and giving it a name. And you can see the new tab here. Currently no fields in here. Let's add one for the sake of the example. And that's all there is to it with regards to adding and removing fields. Some other settings you may want to adjust with a multi-page form is here in appearance. So let's go there. And some options that are relevant are display current page title. Do you want the current page of the form to show? Yes or no, we can choose that. I'm going to turn it off here. Do you want the page tabs at the top of the form? So having this on will allow users to flick between different pages. If you wish to disable that, just disable this light switch here. And also page progress. This will give a percentage indicator to the user how far they are along on the form. And again, if you don't want to show that, all we have to do is turn that off. And while that's turned on, we do have a choice of where it will display the page progress, the start of the form or the end of the form. And for a multi-page form, that's all you need to set up. And if we save that, our job application form is fully functional and ready to be used in a template. Here it is, the newly created job application form.